You're crazy, man. You're crazy. I like you, but you're crazy.
This is an LED ring light. It illuminates things. This is the stand that came with the light. It's awful. And this, well, this is a very simple little adapter plate so that this can go right in there where it belongs. So now I can connect this ring light to my nice tripod. And that is so much better. Look at that, full articulation. I can lock this thing down wherever I want, and it is steady as a rock. You know, to be completely honest, simple little projects like this have come to be one of the big reasons why I really enjoy having machine tools. Now, I know that somebody is going to want to comment something like, spend thousands of dollars on tools so that you can make a $5 part. And to that, I would say two things. First of all, calm down, Potato Chip. This is not why we buy machine tools. We get machine tools because it's a passion, it's a hobby, we love and we enjoy it. That's why we get them. Stuff like this is just one of the many, many upsides that comes along with the ability to make pretty much whatever you want in your garage or basement or wherever you have your shop. And second, I would say this isn't a $5 part. You can't even buy this part. This is fully custom, baby. Anyway, I guess that's it for this one. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and maybe even share it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one very, very soon.